If you've ever tried logging into your Steam account and suddenly saw a message saying it's been used for fraudulent activity, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix it and secure your account so you can get back to gaming without stress. First things first, open your Steam app. It doesn't matter if you're on desktop or mobile. The interface is similar enough to follow along. Once it's open, click the login button in the top right corner. Enter your account name and password, and double check for any typos before hitting sign in. A lot of people get stuck here simply because of a mistyped character. After logging in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. From the top menu, click on Help. This takes you to the main support area. Next, choose Steam Support. This is where you'll find tools to report issues and request assistance. From the support menu, select Steam Community. If you don't see anything that directly matches your situation, that's perfectly fine. Click on I need help with something not listed here. This option opens the door to give a more personalized explanation of the problem. Next, click Contact Steam Support. This is where you'll explain what's going on. Be clear and specific. Mention if you saw warnings about fraudulent use, noticed unauthorized activity, or had trouble accessing your account. The more detail you provide upfront, the faster they'll be able to help. Now comes one of the most important steps, proving that you're the rightful owner of the account. Make sure you're ready to share possible login names, associated email addresses, past device details, or anything else tied to your profile. This verification step protects you and speeds up the recovery process. Once you've submitted your report with the details and proof of ownership, Steam's support team will review everything and take the appropriate steps to lift restrictions or restore access. Just remember, accurate and complete information is your best friend here. And that's the full process. Log in, head to help, navigate to Steam support, and choose the closest category, describe your issue clearly, and provide ownership proof. Following these steps is the quickest way to resolve fraudulent activity flags and lock your account back under your control. Thanks for sticking around. If this guide helped you breathe a little easier, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you're covered with more tutorials just like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.